Here we are, Nuts About Bolts. We haven't made many videos at all thanks to the COVID situation, but here is one of our video cars, which is the 2006 Honda Accord 4-cylinder. Unfortunately, this thing has got to go, but we will try to make a video about the stolen catalytic converter problem. This car's about to get towed out of here, so I can see if I can fix it somehow. The parts are pretty expensive, and we're finding a lot of these cars are just getting totaled and sent to the junkyard. But we're going to see if we can figure a way to keep it on the road. Next, I think we'll get a view underneath so you can see. They chopped it, it looks like at the downpipe, and then right behind the catalytic converter, and then they cut the secondary oxygen sensor. So we'll get you a view of that. Unfortunately, we don't have it jacked up yet at the moment, but obviously you can see the wires hanging where they clipped the oxygen sensor. On this end, it's just a straight cut on the exhaust pipe, and then I haven't even seen that far in there because they went way up the downpipe. I can even see scratch marks from the saw blades bumping into the subframe. So they went way up in there, and that's probably gonna be the tricky part because I might have to get a factory downpipe. I'm thinking all the ones at the junkyard will be destroyed as well. So yeah, hopefully we'll get back with an update on this and come up with a affordable solution as opposed to a solution of totaling the car.